Saint-Gobain Gyproc India, a leader in drywalls, ceilings and plasters, is spearheading the Skill India initiative in the gypsum industry through its groundbreaking programs. The Gyproc Gypsum Academy, a pioneering program, offers skill development in falls ceiling and drywall installation. Since its inception in 2013, the Academy has significantly expanded and now proudly operates 8 training schools across various locations in India. The Gyproc Gypsum Academy has achieved remarkable milestones: over 1,800 candidates trained, more than 1,400 placements secured across India, including 25 international placements, and 52 candidates who have become successful entrepreneurs. In 2017, Gyproc India became a trailblazer by partnering with CSDC and NSDC to sponsor the India Skills Competition, further cementing its commitment to skill development. The Academy proactively educates and enhances the skills of underprivileged youth in India by offering 3 weeks of training, free tools, and opportunities to design test projects. Empowering the India Skill winner for the World Skill Competition with sponsorship and elite training. Gyproc's Academy in Maharashtra offers a rigorous 9-month World Skills training program focused on agility, strength, finishing, measuring, and quick thinking. Highlighting the success stories, Raji Reddy from a small village in Telangana, trained at the Gyproc India Academy, became the first Indian participant in gypsum plastering and drywall systems in Russia. In the second year of Gyproc's participation, Amit Singh was trained for the 2022 World Skill Competition in France. This year, candidate Gohar Bilal, an India Skill Gold medalist, was sponsored by Gyproc for the World Skills Competition in Lyon, 2024. Let's cheer for Gohar Bilal as he represents India on the global stage and strives to make the nation proud. Saint-Gobain Gyproc India remains at the forefront of fostering skill enhancement in the gypsum sector, offering a stage for job opportunities and cultivating sustainable livelihoods.